I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your subscription on the Peacock app, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Subscription. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Subscription or Manage Subscription. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Once in the subscription menu, find the Cancel Subscription button. Tap it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Note, if you don't see the cancel option, ensure you are not logged into a different account. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure the cancellation was processed successfully. I hope this helps you manage your Peacock subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.